Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to a brand new week, a brand new day and a brand new episode of your favorite show Planet Bollywood, where we bring you all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before we begin the show, I'm going to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. On that note, here are our top stories.
Salman to film for his cameo in Shah Rukh Khan's film Pathaan next month. Avika is out and Mahima is in as the leading lady of Salman's film Antim. Anand L. Rai chooses Dhanush to play Vishwanathan Anand in the chess player's biopic. Akshay Kumar slashes down his price for Sajid Nadiadwala's Bachchan Pandey. Kriti Sanon shares stunning pictures of herself, says she is fragile and strong. सलमान खान एंड शाहरुख खान एक साथ एक ही फ्रेम में, एक तरफ विलेंस, एक तरफ हमारे बॉलीवुड के सुपरस्टार्स कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर अपने अपने क्रॉसओवर कैमियोज में एक दूसरे की मदद करते हुए। ये है विजन YRF हेड हॉन्चो आदित्य चोपड़ा का, who is planning many such superstar special appearances in films being produced by his studio.
What's better than one superstar? Well, two or maybe even three actors in one frame supporting each other and offering their special skills to each other's franchises. After Rohit Shetty's creation of a Desi Cop and Flying Car franchise, लगता है आदित्य चोपड़ा hyper stylized films और A-list stars को एक साथ लाकर कई films बनाना चाहते हैं, where actors like Hrithik, Salman and Shahrukh will do crossover appearances in each other's movies. So अब टाइगर जिंदा होंगे अपनी फिल्म और शाहरुख की फिल्म पठान में, while शाहरुख भी कुछ करेंगे टाइगर 3 में.
सलमान और ऋतिक के बाद it seems Shahrukh too is all set to play a raw agent in the film Pathaan, which also stars Deepika Padukone and John Abraham. While he has played a Don before, this is the first time Shahrukh will be on the crime-solving side of things, and it looks like Aditya Chopra is making sure the Badshah gets support from the more experienced Sultan, who has played Sleuth in 2 Tiger franchise films already. That's right, Shah Rukh Khan has been away from the big screen for 2 years, but it's still too soon to say Ek Tha SRK. Especially with Aditya Chopra planning a highly stylized action thriller for Shah Rukh to make his comeback to the movies. But it looks like the YRF head honcho has a larger plan in mind and is rumored to be building a special agents की forge with Tiger, Pathaan and War franchise, जहां Bollywood A-list stars अपनी-अपनी फिल्मों के साथ एक दूसरे की फिल्मों में भी अपने muscular arms का सहारा देंगे. Salman और ऋतिक के बाद SRK is all set to join YRF spy universe, and Salman will be making a 15-minute special appearance in Pathaan at a crucial juncture for Shah Rukh's character. According to the grapevine, Salman will be filming for his cameo in Dubai next month and has blocked almost 2 weeks to shoot for his segment. It is rumored that Shah Rukh will also be making a special appearance as Pathaan in Salman's film Tiger 3, but more details are awaited on that development. Salman will reportedly start filming for Tiger 3 in February next year, and it remains to be seen whether Hrithik's Kabir will also make a special appearance in the movie. This is a very exciting possibility for Bollywood, who seems to be really taken in with Hollywood's love for franchises and sequels. It will be interesting to see how this group of senior Bollywood stars fares at the box office when they recreate their roles in so many different movies. Avika नहीं महिमा अब दिखेंगी आयुष शर्मा के साथ in the movie Antim, The Final Truth, which also stars Salman Khan as a Sikh cop.
Ayush Sharma, whose last film Love Ratri didn't have too many yatris making trips to the movie theater to watch it, अब जीजाजी सलमान खान के हेल्प से दोबारा बॉक्स ऑफिस पे अपने आप को प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Ayush, who is hoping this is not the Antim film of his career, will be seen playing a gangster in the movie Antim, The Final Truth, which is the remake of a Marathi film Mulchi Pattern. It seems like the makers are being very choosy when it comes to which TV actress will play the female lead opposite Ayush, but after much speculation, they finally may have arrived at a decision. Take a look.
Salman's first look from the film made waves recently, and it was Ayush who shared a video of Salman walking towards the set wearing a pagadi, kadha, and looking like a total Gabru Jawan. Ayush has also been filming for Antim for quite a few days now, but it seems that it has taken the makers quite some time to find a leading lady who will share screen space with Ayush. There were rumors that Avika Gaur, who had started her career as a child star with the TV show Balika Vadhu, will be making her big screen debut with Antim and playing the female lead opposite Ayush. But it seems now that another actor will get this opportunity. अंतिम के डायरेक्टर महेश मांजरेकर ने भी इस बात को कंफर्म किया है that Avika will not be seen in Antim. According to some reports, actor Mahima Makwana has bagged the role opposite Ayush and will be making her big screen debut with this movie. Mahima has acted in several TV shows and is a popular small screen star. Looks like the varied roles she has played in her career helped her bag this role. Avika has been waiting to make her big screen debut for quite some time now and has undergone a fabulous transformation from a cute child star to a beautiful leading lady. और उनकी acting talent के बारे में तो सब जानते ही हैं. But in the meanwhile, two other youngsters are joining the unit of Antim in completely different capacities. और ये है डायरेक्टर महेश मांजरेकर के अपने बच्चे Ashwini and Satya, who are a part of their father's latest film. But interesting बात ये है कि Ashwini is a trained chef who has now taken up the charge of catering meals for the unit of the film. Yup, you heard that right. अच्छे खाने के बिना तो कोई फिल्म यूनिट काम नहीं कर सकती, and Ashwini is also using this opportunity to pamper her father by making something really special for her hardworking dad every day. While Ashwini is handling the catering, Mahesh ji's son Satya is working as an assistant director on the movie and learning the ropes of filmmaking and acting at close quarters. Mahesh ji ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि सत्या एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, but he is learning the ropes first. On set, he gets no special treatment and works just as hard as any of the other ADs. Well, let's hope कि Antim changes Ayush Sharma's fortunes and becomes a hit he so desperately needs at this point in his career. Anand L. Rai created a check and made script so convincing that India's first ever chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand has to give an okay to his biopic being made. In case you are wondering who will play Anand in the biopic, it's none other than Anand L. Rai's favorite actor, Dhanush.
Sports stars have always inspired movie stars, and it's raining sports biopics in the industry. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Mohammad Azharuddin, Milkha Singh and Mary Kom के biopics के बाद the journey of Saina Nehwal, Abhinav Bindra, Mithila Raj and PV Sindhu are also in the works as we speak. But it seems like more filmmakers want to jump onto the biopic bandwagon, and now chess superstar Vishwanathan Anand's life will be an inspiration for a movie. Take a look.
Badminton, boxing, shooting and cricket के बाद, chess will get its own biopic with Anand L. Rai getting Vishwanathan Anand's approval on a biopic to be made on the chess genius's life. Anand, who is a 5-time world champion, had declined many offers for a biopic to be made on his life. The king of Indian chess keeps a low profile while he isn't playing and perhaps didn't want any unnecessary attention. But it seems when he was approached this time, he couldn't refuse. Anand L. Rai has worked as a producer on the movie Mukkabaz, which is a film about a boxer. And with his vast directorial experience as well, it seems like this will be an extremely interesting film to watch. especially when you hear who he has chosen to play Vishwanathan Anand on screen. It's none other than actor Dhanush. That's right, Dhanush, who had started his special equation with Anand L. Rai after working together on Ranjana, is also a part of Atrangi Re, which the director is making. Now it seems Anand ji अपने favorite actor के साथ इस special biopic पे भी काम करना चाहते हैं. The makers are still working on the film's script and are yet to decide the remaining members of the cast and crew. Once all the other details and logistics are locked in, an official announcement will be made. Sources के मुताबिक filming will begin in the next couple of months and the movie will span several decades, capturing moments from Anand's childhood and his journey as India's first world-renowned chess player, which includes the world titles and many other sporting and personal milestones over the 3 decades. This is the first time a biopic on a chess player is being made in India, and it will be interesting to see how the makers manage to capture the nuances of the sport and make it an interesting watch for the viewers. Akshay Kumar is not just one of Bollywood's most successful actors, he is also one of the highest paid ones. लेकिन जब बात आती है अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स की, he is willing to go the extra mile, or in the case of Bachchan Pandey, drop the extra crores and take a cut in his fees.
Akshay Kumar has had a fabulous few years in Bollywood, and his choice in films both mainstream and offbeat have raked in hundreds of crores at the box office. Even next year, Aki has Bell Bottom, Prithviraj, Atrangi Re and Bachchan Pandey all lined up for shoot and release. But it looks like even as Bollywood's #1 star, he hasn't forgotten those who have helped him get there. Check it out.
Akshay Kumar is all set to start a marathon 2-month shooting schedule for Bachchan Pandey in Rajasthan in January, but according to sources, ये फिल्म अक्षय के लिए ही नहीं, साजिद नाडियाडवाला के लिए भी बहुत स्पेशल है. According to an entertainment portal, Akshay agreed to take a cut in fees for Bachchan Pandey when Mr. Nadiadwala requested him, given financial restrictions created by the lockdown. वैसे तो अक्षय reportedly charges 110 to 120 crores per film, since this is his market value. लेकिन जब साजिद ने उन्हें फीस में डिस्काउंट की रिक्वेस्ट की, तो अकी अपने पुराने दोस्त को मना नहीं कर पाए. Akshay and Sajid have been working together for over 2 decades now, और दोनों की दोस्ती भी बहुत पुरानी है. इसीलिए the two discussed and decided कि बच्चन पांडे के लिए अक्षय will charge a reduced fees of 99 crores. वो इस अमाउंट पे कैसे पहुंचे हैं, ये भी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. According to sources, अक्षय और साजिद दोनों ही नंबर 9 को अपना लकी नंबर मानते हैं. So they felt कि अगर दोनों के लकी नंबर्स को मिला दिया जाए, शायद फिल्म के फॉर्चून को भी 4 चांद लग जाएंगे. But Akshay's fans don't have to worry, क्योंकि as per his deal with Sajid, any extra profits earned by the movie will be shared with Akshay to make up for his lower signing fees. डिस्काउंट पे कैशबैक मिलना, ये तो सिर्फ अक्षय के साथ ही हो सकता है. Bachchan Pandey is also highly anticipated because it will have 2 actors with great comic timing, Akshay and Arshad Varsi. Arshad has been a part of many comic films like the Munna Bhai series and the Golmaal series, but this is the first time he is working with Akshay, and the actor can't help but be excited. Many a times I and Akshay met each other and be like, "अरे यार, एक फिल्म करते हैं साथ में." But it just never worked out with a proper script and all that. Now finally it has happened because of Farhad Samji. Arshad is looking forward to working with Akshay, and the talented actor is a huge fan of Akshay's comic timing and on-screen presence. Interesting बात ये है कि बच्चन पांडे's director Farhad Samji was the writer of the Golmaal films. He has worked with Akshay earlier as well, and looks like he decided to get the best talent together while directing his new high-profile project. Commenting about their Samji connection, Arshad Varsi says, Farhad has done films with Akshay and I've also done films with him. All the Golmaal films were written by him. So it all just happened and the script is great. Arshad is super excited about working with Akshay, and with two such talents on screen together, we can't wait to see this crazy super comic caper on screen. कृति सैनन का कहना है कि वो फ्रैजाइल भी है और स्ट्रॉन्ग भी, इसीलिए उनसे जो पंगा लेगा वो मुंह के बल गिरेगा. The actor who tested positive recently for the pandemic-related virus is in home quarantine and busy sharing pictures and writing poems as she rests at home.
It has been a few months now since the government gave permission to filmmakers and television channels to resume shoot. In spite of taking all precautions, there have been several Bollywood and television celebrities who have tested positive after work resumed. Most recently, Varun Dhawan and director Raj Mehta tested positive, and a few days ago, Kriti Sanon confirmed that she too had contracted the virus. Here's the story.
कृति ने एक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में शेयर किया था, I'd like to inform everyone that I have tested positive. There's absolutely nothing to worry as I'm feeling fine and have quarantined myself as per BMC and my doctor's advice. Be safe guys, the pandemic hasn't gone yet. But looks like Kriti is keeping herself busy by writing poetry and sharing some really cool pictures of herself with us. Her most recent post on her social media page sees her looking gorgeous in a multicolor bodycon dress with stylish hair and makeup. Kriti in pictures में किसी supermodel से कम नहीं लग रही है, but just in case you thought she was a delicate pretty princess, उनके caption ने सारी गलतफहमी clear कर दी है. Kriti captioned her photos and writes, "She's both fragile and strong, so handle with care or she'll kick your." The actor also has been sharing other pictures from photo shoots and even shared an ad film, and it looks like she wants to stay connected with work even while in quarantine. Well, we wish you a very speedy recovery and we hope you feel better soon.
Well, दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
ड्रंक करके गाड़ी चला रहे हैं. ये सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला है, ड्रंक करके गाड़ी चला रहा है. चल भैया रहने दे मारे ना उन्होंने, छोड़. क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो? रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो सर. आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना. अभी बात क्यों पलट दिखाया? अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने दिखाया वो.
Television hunk Siddharth Shukla has been accused of driving under the influence and hitting an innocent bystander in a video that has now gone viral.
आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना. अभी बात क्यों पलट दिखाया? अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने दिखाया वो.
Siddharth Shukla turned 40 recently, but it looks like his party didn't have a very happy ending after he was accused of driving while intoxicated and hurting a common man on the road. The actors heard in the video that he was threatened by goons, and it now seems like there may be more to the story than what went viral in the video. Take a look.
Siddharth Shukla, who is also a popular reality show star, reportedly celebrated his Janamdin with his Janeman Shehnaz Gill and other family members. But looks like party khatam hone ke baad Siddharth got into trouble. According to a video that has gone viral, a bystander is seen approaching Siddharth's car and accusing him of hitting a poor man. The person recording the video also accuses Siddharth of being intoxicated while driving. When accused of hitting someone, Siddharth is heard saying, "Usne mujhe dikhaya."
Abhi baat kyun palat dikhaya?
Siddharth is also seen trying to snatch the phone of the man recording the video. But now an alternative version of the event has been offered and it seems to give Siddharth a clean chit. A source has shared that Siddharth नशे की हालत में गाड़ी नहीं चला रहे थे and this accusation has only been made to malign his reputation. Apparently, Siddharth's brother-in-law received a call from the actor's staff member about some trouble. जब सिद्धार्थ के brother-in-law वहां पहुंचे तो उन्हें कुछ गुंडे दिखाई दिए. When they tried to stop them, the goons attacked them. The source added that किसी तरह सिद्धार्थ और उनके brother-in-law गुंडों को पकड़ के पुलिस स्टेशन ले गए and the attackers have now been arrested. While he did get into some trouble, Siddharth also received unexpected support from Rahul Vaidya, who stood up for the actor when a netizen tried to troll him about his age. और राहुल का savage reply देख के Siddharth's rumored girlfriend Shehnaz Gill also couldn't help but praise the singer. सिद्धार्थ को अपने जन्मदिन पे बहुत लोगों ने अपने warm wishes भेजे, but a fan of Paras Chhabra tried to troll Siddharth by saying, भाई सही टाइम पे शादी हो गई होती तो शहनाज गिल जितनी बेटी होती तेरी. Just a joke, don't take it otherwise. Wish you a very happy birthday, bro. While the comments seem to have been made in a lighter vein, it didn't stop Rahul from putting the friendly troll in his place. Rahul ने उनके age-related comment का जवाब देते हुए लिखा, भाई उस हिसाब से तो सिद्धार्थ की शादी 12 साल में होनी चाहिए थी और उसकी माहिरा जितनी बड़ी बेटी होती. Just joking. Rahul's witty reply got a lot of attention from netizens, but it looks like Siddharth ki Shona Shehnaz Gill was especially impressed considering she was mentioned in the taunt as well. Shehnaz replied on Rahul's comment and wrote, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सही है, तुसी छा गए. Well, looks like all's well that ended well for Siddharth Shukla, whose high-spirited birthday didn't end with a nasty police case.
आपने बेवजह मारे ना सर, वो गरीब को बेवजह मारे ना. अभी बात क्यों पलट
दिखाया?
अभी आप बात मत पलटो, अभी मारे ना आपने.
दिखाया वो.
Well guys, with that we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute by minute updates about your favorite stars. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, ciao.